Welcome to HK Tutorial Easy Study. Easy Study, Easy Learning. Simple language, simple explanation. Today we will do subject EVS. Topic is our universe. Watch full video. Then you will answer all the questions surely. Okay, so let us start without wasting time. This is sun, the moon, the sun, the stars and the moon form the universe. Our earth is a part of the universe. Our universe is vast. Now this is sun. Sun is very big and round. It is very hot. It gives us light and heat. This is moon. Moon is not as big as the sun. It is even smaller than our earth. It shines at night. It gets heat and light from the sun. Now we will do star. Stars. They shine at night. They are countless. They are very bright. You can see in the picture they are shining. They are very bright. They are very far away from us. So they look small and dim. Stars give off heat and light. Our sun is also a star. Now we will study occurrence, rising and setting of the sun. That is occurrence, rising and setting of the sun, the moon and the little star. Now here you can see in the picture the sun is rising. So the sun rises in the morning every day. It rises in the east. It sets in the evening every day. It sets in the west. Here the sun is setting. This is the rising. The sun is rising and here the sun is setting. The second is phases of the moon. Now, the phases of the moon means moon's shape is changing every day. So, when the moon is round like a ball, we call it a full moon. Then it starts changing. It grows smaller and smaller. This change is known as the waning phase of the moon. The moon is not seen. The moon is not seen on the 14th day. That day is called the waning phase of the moon. This is, here you can see night is there. All the stars are twinkling but you can't see the moon. That is the waning phase of the moon. Then again, moon again starts changing after the new moon day. That is, it grows bigger and bigger. This change is called the waxing phase of the moon. The moon reaches its full size on the 14th day. Thus, we see the full moon day. This is the waxing phase of the moon. This we will call full moon day when the moon is complete. It is round. And when we are not able to see the moon, it is called the waning phase of the moon. Stars. Stars appear at night. They disappear during the day. So this we have completed. Now we will do shadow and direction of shadow. Look at the boy. He is standing. Okay. His dark picture is falling on the ground. Here is the shadow. Here the girl is standing. The shadow we can see behind. So how a shadow is formed? A shadow is formed in light. Because this light is coming in front of this girl, the shadow we can see here. So a light travels in a straight line. Anything which comes in front of the light, it forms a shadow. The sun and the other sources of the light creates shadow. So now shadow and size of the shadow. Now a shadow falls on the opposite side. Here you can see this man is standing. So and this is the tree. Shadow is falling on the opposite side of the light. When the sun is in the east, shadow falls in the west. And when the sun is in the west, shadow falls in the east. So this we have to understand. A shadow always falls on the opposite side of the light. That is, when the sun is in the east, the shadow falls in the west. Then size of the shadow. The size of the shadow keeps on changing. The size of the shadow keeps on changing. Shadows are longer in the morning and evening. The shadows are short at midday. The sun is right above our head at that time. So from this we have concluded that what is our solar system, means what is there in our universe, that is the sun, the moon and the stars. What we can see in our universe, sun, moon and the stars. Then we studied about rising and setting of the sun. The next topic was the phases of the moon. When we can't see the moon, it is called the new moon day, that is the waning phase of the moon. Full moon day, again the moon's shape changes after every 14th day. So when we see full moon, it is called the waxing phase of the moon. Shadow and direction of shadow. Here is the point of shadow. How does a shadow is formed? When it comes in front of the light, a shadow is formed. Then comes shadow and size of the shadow. Now we will do some answer the following. What does sun gives us? Sun gives us heat and light. Why do stars look small? As they are far away from us, so they look small and dim. When does sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. What is the 14th day of the waning phase of the moon called? New moon day. How is shadow formed? A shadow is formed in the light. Here is match the following. Short shadow is on the midday. Stars shine. Moon changes. Long shadow we see in the morning. Points to remember. Again, the fill in the blanks is also there. The earth, the star, the moon form the universe. Sun gives us heat and light. The moon is full on the 14th day. The stars appear at night. In midday, the shadows are short. So, points to remember. The sun, the moon, the stars and other heavenly bodies form the universe. The moon has two phases, waning phase and waxing phase. Shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light. So this was the lesson, our universe. I hope you would have understood this lesson completely. If you find my video helpful, please hit the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel.